Japan sell a surprisingly large number of foods and bento boxes. It's easy to buy and tastes great. And it's getting a lot of attention. If I eat dinner at a convenience store for a week, how much money would it cost? How many calories will you take in? Let's actually do it. Day 1. Family Mart. I bought this today. Lowe's Tonkatsu Bento. Let's open it. 698 yen, about 4.69 US dollars, 710 kilocalories. Next, zucchini soup. Let's open it. 438 yen, about 2.94 US dollars, 175 kilocalories. Let's eat. It goes great with Worcestershire sauce when it comes to tonkatsu. This is what it is all about. When you eat the zucchini, the gravy is overflowing. Japanese soup stock and vegetables are the best match. Money spent today. Total 1,136 yen, about 7.64 US dollars. Intake calorie. Total 885 kilocalories. Day 2. 7-Eleven. I bought this today. Seared silver salmon and Japanese soup stock rice. Let's open it. 421 yen, about 2.83 US dollars, 326 kilocalories. Next, dashi scented fluffy oyster ball soup. Let's open it. 321 yen, about 2.16 US dollars, 107 kilocalories. And green tea, Otini version, 164 yen, about 1.1 US dollars. What a surprise! 0 kilocalories. Let's eat! Salty salmon and Japanese broth rice are delicious. Mushrooms also have concentrated flavor. This soup has a fluffy egg and gentle taste. Perfect for the cold days. Green tea goes well with these two. It is truly a two-way player. Money spent today. Total 906 yen, about 6.09 US dollars. Intake calorie. Total 433 kilocalories. Day 3. 7-Eleven. I bought this today. Shrimp tomato cream pasta. Allergy sufferers. Take note. Let's open it. 572 yen, about 3.84 US dollars, 671 kilocalories. Next, crab cake salad. Let's open it. 475 yen, about 3.19 US dollars, 107 kilocalories. Let's eat. The soreness of the tomatoes and the creamy sauce are delicious. The shrimp also have a plump texture and are highly aromatic. The dressing is a sesame sauce, but it has a fresh taste that matches the salad. Money spent today. Total 1,047 yen, about 7.04 US dollars. Intake calorie. Total 778 kilocalories. Day 4. Family Mart. I bought this today. Miso ramen. Let's open it. 510 yen, about 3.43 US dollars, 525 kilocalories. Next, dumpling with chicken white soup. Let's open it. 398 yen, about 2.67 US dollars, 353 kilocalories. Let's eat. The richness of the miso flavor is delicious with the noodles. The sweet corn also accentuates the flavor. It is juicy with a spicy flavor and soupy inside. Money spent today. Total 908 yen, about 6.11 US dollars. Intake calorie. Total 878 kilocalories. Day 5. Lawson. I bought this today. Long tempeh with egg on top. Let's open it. 473 yen, about 3.18 US dollars, 320 kilocalories. Next, fried jack mackerel. Let's open it. 190 yen, about 1.27 US dollars, 315 kilocalories. Fried squid. Let's open it. 181 yen, about 1.89 US dollars, 367 kilocalories. And acai beer, 230 yen, about 1.54 US dollars, 42 kilocalories. Let's open it. Oh my god! Let's eat! Lots of eggs and a mellow collaboration with the meat. The sauce and mayonnaise are also a perfect match. The outside is crispy and the flesh is fluffy with a delightful texture. The tartar sauce is also a good match. Even without any sauce, it has a strong flavor. The squid meat is also very resilient. How can beer not go with these three? Money spent today, total 1,174 yen, about 7.9 US dollars. Intake calorie, total 1,044 kilocalories. Day 6, 7-Eleven. I bought this today, fried rice with meat and keke. Let's open it. 646 yen, about 4.34 US dollars, 770 kilocalories. Next, spring roll. Let's open it. 121 yen, about 0.81 US dollars, 156 kilocalories. Roasted green tea, 164 yen, about 1.1 US dollars. What a surprise! 0 kilocalories. Let's eat! The dashi broth flavored ankeke and the fried rice will increase your appetite. It is delicious hot. Inside, there are a lot of ingredients, and it is very satisfying. The vegetables and meat go great together. Rich tasting rice and refreshing tasting tea are the best match. Money spent today, total 931 yen, about 6.26 US dollars. Intake calorie, total 926 kilocalories. Final day, Lawson. I bought this today, grilled omelette with rice. Let's open it. 697 yen, about 4.69 US dollars, 673 kilocalories. Next, cheese tarts. Let's open it. 306 yen, about 2.05 US dollars, 252 kilocalories. And ginger ale, 150 yen, about 1 US dollars, 39 kilocalories. Let's eat! The collaboration of demi-glace, egg and chopped rice is the best. The taste will fill your mouth with deliciousness. The crispy pie crust and cheese flavor are irresistible. The cheese is in 2 layers, giving you 2 different tastes. Money spent today, total 1,153 yen, about 7.69 US dollars. Intake calorie, total 964 kilocalories. Announcement of results. I have eaten dinner at many convenience stores over the past 7 days. What were the total calories and total amount? Total calorie intake for 7 days is 5,908 calories, roughly 844 kilocalories per serving. Total amount is 6,445 yen, about 43 US dollars, 920 yen per meal, about 6 US dollars. According to a 2013 University of Toronto, Canada survey, Americans eat an average of 1,028 kilocalories per meal. It is lower. So healthy. According to a 2013 University of Toronto, Canada survey, the average value of eating out in the US is 3,000 to 6,000 yen for dinner. At the Japan convenience store, we were able to eat for about 1/3 or pay of the money. The meals were healthy and tasty and cost less. Why not buy a convenience store bento when you come to Japan? If so, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!